Hi, I'm Ramon,
Hi there.
and we're on our way to San Diego for an overnighter. But first we tried stopping here at Torrey Pines State Recreation Area. But unfortunately, the hiking trails are closed, so we decided to take a little walk along the beach and get our feet wet.
So now you're here again, knocking at my door. A little too late for, I'm sorry for. The lights went out 'cause you kept cutting the cord, and I started to fade into your grave. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now.
Okay, we just left Torrey Pines Recreation Area. Now we're going to try to go to La Jolla Cove.
The future is now. I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams, while you were chasing everything else but me. I'm starting to break out from your grave. See, I finally opened up my eyes, and I saw me coming back to life. That I'd be better without you inside. It's time to be someone I wanna recognize. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. I'm not backing down, 'cause the future is now. Not backing down, 'cause the future is now. The future starts right now. I made a reservation, but you never came, so I'm checking out. The fire you stole away, I know one day we'll come back around. The future is now. The future is now. The future is now.
Hi guys.
Wash this and it's fine.
We come to a place called Tidelands Park on Coronado Island. And I've never seen a view like this before. That's the Coronado Bridge. Awesome views from there. Kind of late. The sun's going to go down pretty soon. But we're going to walk over here to this photo op area here. This is really nice. It's a little hidden gem here. Kind of reminds me of when we used to live up in the San Francisco area. Jet ski over there. On the list is Coronado Beach, right next to the Coronado Hotel. It's too bad we missed the sunset, but it still looks great. It looks really nice here right now. We're gonna walk over and try to crash the hotel, see what happens. We haven't figured out what we're gonna do for dinner yet. We might go into the Gaslamp Quarter, or we might find a taco joint around here somewhere.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Bets are off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll make a new tomorrow. One night to find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's the next day, Sunday, and it's 8:33. We're back at the Coronado Hotel. We're gonna walk around here and take a few shots before we have breakfast.
What makes this heart beat faster? I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll make a new tomorrow. One night to find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?
we have to change.
They have some hats over there. I'm gonna look. They might have some things. This is going to do it for our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And leave a comment and we'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching Ramon's Travel.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.